Welcome back everybody. In this video we will add this checkbox and we will use JavaScript to detect whenever anyone clicks on the checkbox. By the way, this video is part of a larger course about Bootstrap Studio. You can find the full course on Udemy or Skillshare. Check out the link in the description. Let's drop in a checkbox with a label. And adjust the label to read, "Please send me newsletters and promotional material," and all that stuff. Next, select the email input and under the State in the Options panel, toggle Disabled. Time to add the JavaScript file. In the Design panel, go to the heading JavaScript. Right-click on the heading and choose New and choose JS file. I only plan to use one JavaScript file, so let's be very imaginative and name it javascript.js. So the goal for now is to create a simple function which runs whenever the user clicks on the checkbox. Double-click on the JavaScript file to edit it. Add the following function. Function checkbox clicked, open brackets, close brackets, curly brackets, alert, open brackets, hello, close brackets. Let me just explain this one quickly. We just defined a function and the name of that function is called checkbox clicked. Everything between the curly brackets is what the function does. In this case, we only have one line in our function. It creates an alert box with the text hello. So we have created a function which does something, but we never call that function. So what we would like to do is we would like to trigger this function sometimes. Let's say every time somebody clicks on the checkbox, it triggers this function. To do that, select the checkbox and open up the Attributes panel. Let's add the key onclick with the value checkbox clicked. So whenever we click on this checkbox, it's going to trigger the function checkbox clicked. Note that the value of this key needs to be exactly the same as the name of the function. If there's even one small typo, it's not going to work. Let's create a preview to test it. It works. Great. Now that we know it works, we can move on to the next step. The next step is to find out whether this checkbox is checked or not. We are going to do that in the next video, so see you there. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, why not support this channel by liking and subscribing. You can also check out my website for more free stuff. So long for now, see you in the next video. Bye bye.